Today I am going to solve exercise 2.4. That is optional only. Then also I am solving it. Look, already we done type only. First question in this one it is verify the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomials below are their zeros. Verification we have to do. Then we have to verify the relation between zeros and the coefficient in each case. In that one, here given in first question, polynomial 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. And their zeros they given. We have to verify 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2. We have already learned how to solve it. First what you have to do? First p of x you have to write. Then the values are given. Instead of x, that values you have to substitute. And you have to find out that values. If that remains values, if it is getting zeros, then get it on the verification is done. Then to find out the verification zeros and coefficients, alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that value you have to prove. And also alpha beta gamma. So here p of let give name, let p of x 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. Therefore now p of half 2 half cube plus half square minus 5 multiplied by half plus 2. So 2 into half cube is 1 by 2 cube is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. This 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. Same LCM, 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. So this is minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. So we proved half is one of the 0. This is the first one. Now second, value of x p of 0, p of 1 we have to do. So p of 1 equal to 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square x square. 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2, that is equal to 0. So this is second one. P1 also we got a value 0. Now next p of minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus minus 2 square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2. Substitute. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 8 into 2 minus 16 plus minus 2 square is positive 4. Minus or minus plus 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 4 plus 10 14 plus 2 16. 16 minus 16 0. So that also we got. So from 1, 2 and 3 we proved half, 1 and minus 2 are the zeros of p of x. Verification we done. Now next we have to prove what verification of coefficients and zeros we have to do. So for that one, these values, which values are given, that one take as alpha, beta and gamma. So let alpha equal to half, beta equal to 1 and gamma equal to minus 2. And comparing this p of x, we need a, b, c value also minus b by a minus c by a d minus d by a like that. So we need the coefficient. So that one also right. Comparing p of x with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. We get what is the value of a? Value of a is 2. What is the value of b? 1. What is the value of c? Minus 5. And what is the value of d? It is 2. So first write that one out. Now first one, proof sum of the zeros of these three zeros. Verification for it. So alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to half plus 1 minus 2. Half plus 1, 1 and a half, minus 2, then minus half. That is minus half. That is what we need to get minus b by a. B's value is what? 1. What is the value of 2? So minus 1 by 2, that is only we got. That is minus b by a. So first one verification we done. See sum of the zeros with the coefficient of the terms of x. Now next sum of the product of two zeros taken at a time, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to half into 1 plus 1 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into half. Half into 1, half. Plus or minus, minus. 1 2s are 2. 2 cancel. Minus 1. So, half minus 3 equal to 2 3s are 6. 1 minus 6 is 5. So, minus 5 by 2. What do you want to get here? C by A. C, look. C's value minus 5. A's value 2. So, that is correct only. That is also we proved. So, C by A. Next one it is what? Alpha, beta, product of their zeros. Alpha, beta. That is half multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 2. 2 cancel. Then we got minus 1. What do we want to get? Minus b by a. What is d? 2. What is a? 2. 2 by 2. So, instead of minus 1, we have to write what? Minus of 2 upon 2. That is equal to minus d by a. So, that also true. So, verification finished. Followed now? Now, second sum. Same type only. Second also the same type sum only. Here p of x polynomial is given x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. And the values of zeros they are given to 1, 1. So first we have to verify they are the zeros. So let p of x equal to x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. Now p of 2, 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 2. 2 cube is 8. 4 4s are 16 plus 10 minus 2. 8 plus 10, 18. Minus 16 minus 2 minus 18. 18 minus 18, 0. So first one proved. Now p of 1. So 1 cube minus 4 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 4 plus 5 minus 2. 1 plus 5, 6. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. So that's also equal to 0. Now one more one it is given. So p of 1 only, here we proved only 2 zeros are proved. The third next one we have to prove. How we have to do? By taking these zeros you have to divide and look in that one x minus 1 is coming as a term. Then only next two zeros can be that 1 also will be the 0. So only we can prove here same type coming, only 2 zeros only we can prove like this. So 2 zeros of p of x are 2 and 1. Therefore, x minus 2 and x minus 1 are the factors of P of x. So their product. This is a x plus a into x plus b formula. X plus a, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab formula. So using that one, that is x square minus 2 plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 3x minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. So x square minus 3x plus 2 is a factor. Suppose if you are not remember that time formula, as usual how we are product doing like that, x into x, x square, x into minus 1 minus x, minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Then like times you have to simplify, then also we will get x square minus 3x plus 2. Now dividing by applying division algorithm. So x square, now x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2 dividing by x square minus 3x plus 2. X cube divided by x square first step. Directly also you can write. Now to follow only I am that one showing on this side. If you are knowing directly that values you can write directly also. So x into x square x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. With x we multiplied each other. Now opposite side minus plus minus. X cube minus x cube cancel. Minus 4x square plus 3. Different sign subtraction. 4x square minus 3x square 1x square. And bigger number sign, that is minus, so minus x square. Plus minus, different sign subtraction. 5x minus 2x, that is 3x. So plus 3x minus 2. Now minus x square, next step. Minus x square upon x square, that is minus 1. So minus 1 minus x square plus 3x minus 2 plus minus plus 0. Everything cancel. So x minus 1 is so we can write, therefore P of x is equal to x cube x square minus 3x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. This is the product of what? X minus 2 and x minus 1 into x minus 1. So let P of x equal to 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 2, x equal to 1, x equal to 1. So already we proved 2 zeros, x minus 2 are by this method we proved. Next one, that other one remaining, that also now we proved. Therefore zeros of P of x are 2, 1 and 1. So understood? So any term like this zeros, repeating one coming, first two zeros only we can prove by this. Then after that one you have to find out the factors, their product, divide, then next factor we will get. From that factor you have to prove the third one is also 0. Now we have to do what? Verification. So for that what you have to do? The zeros what are given, that we have to suppose as alpha, beta and gamma. So let alpha equal to 2, beta equal to 1, gamma equal to 1 and comparing P of x with what? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus b. That is general form of the cubic polynomial. Now values of a equal to a, what is a? 1. B's value is what? Minus 4. C, that is plus 5. And D, that is minus 2. So we got A, B, C and D. Now we have to do verification of zeros and their coefficients. So for that, alpha, first one, alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is alpha? 2 plus 1 plus 1. That is what? 4. What is the formula we need to prove? Coefficient minus b by a. minus 4 minus of minus 4 upon 1. So 4 you can write like this. Minus of minus 4 upon 1. That is minus b by a. So first one we proved. Verification done. Now next, sum of the zeros. Sum of the product of two zeros taken at a time. That is alpha plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 plus 2. That is equal to 5. What do you want to get here? C by A. What is C value? C is 5. This is 1. So this 5 you can write as what? 5 by 1. That is equal to C by A. So that also verified. Next one, it is product. Alpha, beta, gamma. That is 2 into 1 into 1. That is equal to 2. What do you want to get here? Minus D by A. So D's value is what? Minus 2. Minus or minus 2 positive 2 only upon 1. So how will write this one? Equal to minus or minus 2 upon 1. If you are not knowing what is the formula coming, that value is only just you substitute. Minus write first, then D's value write upon 1. The minus or minus 2 plus 2, 2 by 1 is 2. So no need of worry about how we can write 2 in which form. You have to look that what is the formula coming, that values, what is formula, write that one, that values only just substitute from there, then you can write it. That is equal to minus 2. So these first two verification we done. Only two sums are there, both I solved, and I think you maybe followed it. Now I am doing the second sum. So don't forget, if two zeros same coming, from two zeros only we can verify by substituting it. Third one we have to find out. Now how I done? The same way you have to prove. Now next sum is, second sum is, find a cubic polynomial with sum of the product of its zeros taken two at a time, and the product of its zeros as 2 minus 7 minus 14. Second sum, exercise 2.4. So let P of x equal to cubic polynomial z, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and alpha, beta and gamma be their zeros. Be the zeros of P of x. In this question what given? Sum of zeros, that means sum of zeros given. Sum of zeros given, that is 2 product of zeros. Sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time. That value given how much? Minus 7, and product of zeros equal to minus 14. You have to find out that ax cube plus bx square. So I am written here, this one only same steps you have to repeat here. So first, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 2. What is the formula of alpha plus beta plus gamma? Minus b by a. That is equal to minus b upon a. Next, what is given? Sum of the product, that one means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to minus 7. What is the formula? C by a. That is equal to C by a. And product of zeros, that is alpha, beta, gamma equal to minus 14. That is minus d by a. So minus minus b by a equal to 2. 2 you can write as 2 upon 1. Minus 7 also you can write it minus 7 upon 1. Minus 14, how you can write? Minus 14 upon 1. In this one, all ratios, denominator is a. So what value you can take a? 1. So if a equal to 1. Now no need of substituting showing. Look. If a's value is 1, minus b equal to what? 2. So what will be the value of b? Minus 2. Means 2 we can write like this. 2 upon 1 equal to minus b upon a's value is 1. So 2 equal to minus b, therefore b equal to minus 2. Understood? So if a equal to 1, b equal to what? Minus 2. Same way here, look. Minus 7 upon 1 equal to c by a. So what will be c's value? Minus 7. So c equal to minus 7. In same way, minus 14 upon 1 equal to minus d upon a. A's value is 1. So minus d equal to what? Minus 14. Like this. Minus 14 equal to minus d. Both sides minus sign is there. So sign cancel. D equal to 14. So d equal to 14. Therefore, one of the quadratic polynomial that fitting in this one expression what? So p of x required one is 1x cubed means x cubed minus 2x square. B is the coefficient of x square minus 7x plus 14. So this is the answer. So followed. So sum of zeros, sum of product of zeros taken, product of zeros taken 2 at a time given, and then you try to add that formulas you substitute. In here all, now only integers given means anyone 2 you can write 2 upon 1 minus 7 upon 1 minus 14. So a's value we have taken as 1. Then minus b will be shown here. Then b's value you will get it. In the same way, minus 7 upon 1 is c by a. A's value is 1. So c equal to minus 7. That only I am written here minus 7. And the same way for values to be getting, then substitute the values of a, b, c, d in the standard form. Then we will get to the cubic polynomial. Now that is second one. Now third sum. If the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, a and a plus b, find a and b. Third sum is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. And their zeros a minus b, a and a plus b. We have to find out a and b. Here zeros, in zeros only the value a, b, c giving. So if actually we are on comparison, we are taking small ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus b. If same one a, b, c we are using and its values of zeros are here also a minus b there, that will confuse. So if in the zeros also a, b values coming, you have to take the standard form as capital ax cube plus capital bx square, like that values. Then confusion will. Otherwise, on substitution, you will confuse which value a, that one. So, I am showing it, then you can follow it why I am taking like that. Let p of x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. Then comparing with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, we get what is a value? 1. What is b value? Minus 3. What is c value? 1. What is d value? 1. Now here given a minus b, they are zeros. So let alpha equal to a minus b. Then alpha, beta, no, not the sum of the product, beta beta equal to A, gamma equal to A plus B. Zeros only given, alpha, beta and gamma. This one. Now, how can we get the value of A? We learned in verification alpha plus sum of the, and from that three formulas, the any two formulas using, you can get the values of this A and B. For that, do alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is formula? Minus D upon A. If I am writing here that B, small b and small a, in this alpha, beta, gamma also A and B are there. So you will confuse. That's why I take different values. Now I have followed why we will written this capital one. If we written here small letters only, here we will write small b upon small a. In alpha also A minus B, A and small b is there. So you will confuse with that one. That's why we written that one by using capital letters. So alpha's place A minus B plus beta's place A plus gamma's value A plus B equal to minus B by A. What is minus B by A? What is the formula? B's value is minus 3. So minus of minus 3 upon A's value is 1. Now A plus A plus A, 3A. B minus B cancel. Minus or minus plus. So 3 upon 1 is 3. 3A equal to 3. So A equal to 3 upon 3. That is 1. So you got the value of A. Now what do you want to get? B value. For that, alpha, beta, gamma. What is the formula? Product. Second one also you can get. This one will be easy to find out. That is minus D by A. What is alpha? Alpha is A minus B. So A minus B into A plus B equal to minus D's value is what? 1. What is value of A? 1. Now you got the value of A. You can substitute it, multiply it, then you can substitute. Otherwise, this one, multiply and look. A into A square minus B square, I multiplied. A minus B into A plus B is A square minus. Minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. Now, A's value we got it is what? 1. So, now, 1 into 1 square minus B square equal to minus 1. Since A equal to 1. Since A equal to 1. So 1 by minus 1 is 1 here on taking minus 1 upon 1 minus 1 only. So 1 minus B square equal to minus 1. Now take this minus 1 to this side. So minus or minus 1, 1 plus 1 it will become. Minus B square equal to 0. Minus 1 we taken to this side. So here it is 0. So 2 minus B square equal to 0. This is in the form of A square minus B square. How can we write? 2 you can write as root 2 square. So root 2 square minus B square equal to 0. 2 minus 2 you can write it root 2 square. Now this is A square minus B square form. So A plus B, A minus B. A place is root 2. So root 2 plus B into root 2 minus B equal to 0. So root 2 plus B equal to 0 or root 2 minus B equal to 0. So B here, root 2 taken to this side minus root 2. Root 2 equal to minus B on taken to, that will become positive 2. So B equal to root 2. So B's values are, so B equal to minus root 2 or root 2 plus or minus. Means plus or minus. In this way you can find out the values of A and B. So for first P of X, this one are zeros. Here in zeros only A and B are given. So we are comparing that one with our standard form with the capital letters. We are taking to differentiate between that A minus B and this A. Then A, B, C D will written, alpha, beta, gamma that is given. These all are given values only. Then sum of the zeros we taken minus we substituted, we got the value of A. Then taking the product of zeros, we taken the formula. Then around substitution, you will get value of B words. Now, fourth sum. So I think you maybe followed this one properly, no? It's very simple sums only. So first, you have to thoroughly read the question. What terms are given? What you have to find out? question. If two zeros x of the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 are 2 plus or minus root 3, find other zeros. So, fourth question, let p of x raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. X raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. And here 2 plus or minus root 3 means 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3, plus or minus like this writing means like this, are the two zeros of p of x. So as usual, when if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, x minus alpha and x minus beta are the factors. Same way you have to write, if x means x minus of this one and this one also minus. That is, therefore, x minus 2 plus root 3 and x minus 2 minus root 3 are the factors of p of x. Here look at 3 terms of the. So, this type if x minus like form root 2 and minus root 2 are factors, x plus root 2, x minus root 2 coming, a square minus b square form we multiply it. Here also if like that you can make 3 terms are given, that one 2 terms you can make or not, you have to check first. Look, this one will be on for minus taking to this one x minus 2 minus root 3, this one. This term will be x minus 2 plus root 3. So like term which will x minus 2 will be same. So this you can write like this. X minus 2 plus root 3. No, plus not minus or plus minus. X minus 2 minus root 3. And here x minus 2 minus or minus plus root 3 are the factors of p of x. Understood? So now I written this one in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So their product, what done? That is x minus 2 whole squared minus root 3 square, a square is a factor of p of x. That is x square, a minus b whole square form. So x square minus 4x plus 4 root 3 square minus 3 is a factor of p of x, right? Now simplification, we will get x square minus 4x, 4 minus 3, 1 plus 1 is a factor of p of x. After this one directly you can write this one, these terms multiplication in margin you have to show multiply. Here I am shown here only. So we got x square minus 4x plus 1 is a factor. Now by applying division algorithm. By applying division algorithm. What is p of x? X raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. Then you have to divide by factor is x square minus 4x plus 1. So first x raised to 4 here. Here first term of this x highest degree term. So we will get it x square. So that is the first term of the quotient. X square into x square, x raised to 4. X square into minus 4x cube. X square ones are x square. So plus x square. opposite side, minus, plus, minus. X is cancelled here. Here plus and minus different sign subtraction. 6 minus 4, 2, bigger number sign. So minus 2x cube. Here minus, here also minus. Like terms, same sign, addition, one is same sign you have to put. So 27x square plus 138x below it. Now to get the next term, what you have to do? Minus 2x cube, that is the first term of the new dividend. You have to divide away by what? X square. So what we will get here? Minus 2x. So write here minus 2x. Now multiply. So minus 2x cube. Minus or minus plus. 2x into 4x plus 8x square. 2, 4, 2 4s are 8. Minus minus plus. Now minus into plus minus. 2x 1s are 2x. Now opposite sign, plus minus plus. This term cancel. Here now look, same sign, addition. 27 plus 8, 35. So minus 35x square plus plus same sign. So the 138 plus 2, 140 x. Now minus 35 remaining, right here, minus 35. Now minus 35x square divided by x square. X square cancel. So third time you got minus, we will get minus 35 is the third time, write it here, minus 35. Minus 35 into x square, minus 35x square. Minus into minus, plus. 35 4s are 140. So 140x. Minus 35 1s are 35. Plus, minus, plus 0. I already explained, whenever if it is a factor, after division you should get the remainder as 0. So we got 0 means our division is correct. Therefore, now P of x, right? What is P of x? This one, its factors are now this product of this. So x square minus 4x plus 1. Minus x square. Now x square minus 2x minus 35. This one is the product of x minus 2 plus root 3 and that one terms only. That one, this term only you have to factorize. So here I am writing this one like that only. X square minus 4x plus 1. Now on multiplication you have to get minus 35, on adding minus 2. Last time negative, rule is order. The splitting terms will have opposite signs. 7 5s are 35. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bigger number you have to give minus, means minus 7 plus 5. So x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. So x square minus 4x plus 1, I am writing like that only. Here x common, x minus 7 plus 5 common, x minus 7. Now instead of x square minus 4x, that factors right. X minus of 2 plus root 3, x plus x minus 2 minus root 3. These that will factor that only. Instead of this one you would write. Now here x minus 7 common and x plus 1. Now what do you have to do? Let it to find the zeros, let p of x equal to 0. So x minus of 2 plus root 3 multiplied by x minus of 2 minus root 3, x minus 7, x plus 5 equal to 0. So x minus of 2 plus root 3 equal to 0, or x minus of 2 minus root 3 equal to 0, or x minus 7 equal to 0, or x plus 5 equal to 0. Yes, we should, we are doing same way. X minus 1 taken to the side plus, so 2 plus root 3. X, this minus 1 taken, 2 minus root 3. Then x equal to minus 7 on taking, positive 7. And x plus 5 taking, minus 5. Therefore, zeros of, now we got all the values of zeros. Zeros of p of x. Which one? 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, 7 and minus 1. So this zeros already given in question. So find other zeros. So other zeros of p of x are 7 and minus 1. So this one little complicated. Here 2 plus 2 terms are there. So while writing you have to take care x minus 2 times the bracket you have to write here also. Then this actually 3 terms are on multiplication, long multiplication coming. So I made it in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So for that minus 1 taken to this x minus 2 minus root 3. Here x minus 2 plus root 3. In that one x minus 2 coming as a. So that is taken as a. So I written x minus 2 in the bracket. In order to understand, that is we have taken it as a single term a. X minus 2, a minus b, a plus. Understood? Though we can multiply easily. Now this is the form a minus b plus b, so a square minus b square. So a square. A is place x minus 2 whole square minus root 3 square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I expanded it. Minus root 3 square is 3. Now then on simplification we will get this. So this is the factor. Now applying addition algorithm, we divided, then we got the quotient, that are the factors. Then this simple division, factorization only, multiplication minus 35, on addition minus 2 we got it, then we factorized all, then in order to get zeros, we made it equal to 0, then we got the values. Here already 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 are zeros given in question. Find other zeros written. So what other values we are getting, that you write. Now one more question only, that is fifth one. If the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus k, the remainder comes out to be x plus a. Find k and a. So I am taking p of x. That p of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. This is p of x. Divided by another polynomial. So let g of x. That another polynomial we are taken as g of x. X square minus 2x plus k. And on dividing order, that is remainder given. Remainder r of x is given equal to x plus a. That value is x plus a. We have to find k and a's value you have to find out. This is the question. Remainder given means p of x, g of x. Dividing remainder given means division. We have to divide p of x by g of x. So p of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. G of x equal to x square minus 2x plus k. Now on dividing, p of x by g of x. So that one divided you have to do. Otherwise by applying division algorithm, you have to write x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 dividing by what? X square minus 2x plus k. First term x raised to 4 upon x square, that is equal to what? X square. Right here x square. X square into x square, x raised to 4 minus x square into 2x minus 2x cube plus x square into k, kx square. Minus sign, if opposite side you have to put. This term cancel. Here different sign subtraction, 6 minus 2 4, bigger number side. So 4x cube. Now here little different one. Here k is 16 minus 5, like that number we can easily subtract. In this type of here k, instead of integer, here unknown value k given. So how you have to write it? I am showing it. Here I am showing how we are subtracting like this. 16x square, look, minus kx square, minus kx square. X square is common. So 16 minus k means take x square outside, 16 minus k. So like this we will write. So 16 minus k square. So plus 16 minus k x square. So minus k x square. X square taken as common, 16 minus k. X square into 16 minus k, first we have to write the integer, so I am written here 16 minus. Now write minus 25k, minus 25x. Now to get the next term, what do you do? Minus 4x cube divided by x cube. So that is first term. Now 4 minus 4x cube divided by x square. We will get what? Minus 4x. So that is the second term. Minus 4x. Right. So minus 4x cube on multiplication you got. Minus or minus plus 4 2s are 8. 8x square. 8x square. Minus 4x into k minus 4kx. Minus 4kx. Plus minus plus. These can cancel. Here also same way, only subtraction do. Look how you try, look. 16 minus k into x square. What is the sign here? Minus. So minus 8x square. Like this, right? Equal to x square take as common. What is remaining here? 16 minus k. What is remaining here? Minus 8. So x square. 16 minus 8, 8. 8 minus k. Means 8 minus k x square. Subtraction you get. So that right here. 8 minus k. First integer. 8 minus k x square. Now same way. Here plus. This is minus. So first value positive. So 4kx. That also subtraction little difficult. So right here in margin you have to do and do. This is minus, this is first minus 25 plus 4kx. Instead I am written first positive term 4kx. Now what is remaining here? Minus 25x. Minus 25x. This we have to simplify. So what is common? X is common. So 4k minus 25. So write that here. Plus 4k minus 25 into x. So this also simplified. Now what is the remaining? Plus 10. That right here. Plus 10. Now to get the third term. So this is first term. First term. Then second term. Now third term. What is the x square term? 8 minus k x square upon x square. So 8 minus k. So I write here plus 8 minus k. That is the third term. Now multiply 8 minus k into x square. 8 minus k x square. Plus or minus? Minus. Now 2 and 8 8 minus k into x. Like this only directly unknown is coming. 2 3s are 6, so directly we are writing. Instead you can write 2 into 3 also. Same way, here 8 minus k coming. So 2 and this 8 minus k we are multiplying. You write like that only. 2 into 8 minus k, like this. Right. So plus or minus minus, that minus I have written. Then 2 into 8 minus k. Here x is remaining. So x. Now next one, plus this one. 8 minus k into k. Multiplication. So k into 8 minus k. K into 8 minus k. Now minus plus minus. This one became 0. Here look. X terms, this term plus, this term also plus. So we have to simplify. I'm separately simplifying and showing it. Plus plus same sign. So 4k minus this one, look. 4k minus 25 into x plus 2 into 8 minus k into x. These two terms you have to add. So what is common? X common. Take outside. So 4k minus 25 here. Here what is remaining? 2 into 8 minus k. 2 into 8 minus k. So x into 4k minus 25 plus 2 8s are 16 minus 2k. That is x into 4k minus 2k, 2k. Minus 25 plus 16 minus 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. Bigger numbers. So on simplification you got x into 2k minus 9. So write it here. So separately you have to simplify it in this way. Plus, plus, then this term, plus this return. Then I simplified, taken, then value. That value only you would write. So 2k minus 9 into x. We got 2k minus 9. Next what you do? Simplify the last constant name. 10 and here k into 8 minus k. So how will you write it? 10 plus k into 8 minus k. Directly also you can write 8k minus k square you can do, otherwise directly also only write. That is constant term only. So plus 10, oh here it is minus sign. Minus. So plus not, it is actually minus. So minus k into 8 minus k, like this only write. K into 8 plus 10 minus k into 8 minus k. So this is the remainder. But in question, remainder is given how would x plus a given in question. Remainder. So write remainder. I am writing there. For r of x we got, by simplification we got 2k minus 9 into x plus 10 minus k into 8 minus k. This is the remainder we got by dividing p of x by g of x. Here in question it is given what is the remainder? X plus a. Remainder r of x equal to x plus a. Given. Now you have to compare this. X plus a means this is the term containing x. So this is x and the remaining term is a, like this. On comparing, we get these two. You have to compare. Means x term equal a will be the remaining constant. What is that will be? So 2k minus 9 into x equal to x. Compare and 10 minus k into 8 minus k, that is equal to a. a instead of a this tenfold. So 10 minus k into 8 minus k equal to a. Now xx, taking to that side, 2k minus 9 x by x, that is equal to 1. So 2k minus 9 equal to 1. So 2k equal to 1 minus 9 on taken to 1 plus 9. So 2k equal to 10. So k equal to 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. So now we got the value of k as 5. Now next, in order to get a value. Now 10 minus k into 8 minus k equal to 8. On comparison we got a's value as that constant. Now substitute the value of k. So 10 minus k's value is what? 5. 8 minus 5 equal to 8. Since a equal to 5. So 10 minus 5, 8 minus 5 is 3 equal to 10. 10 minus 5 3s are 15 equal to 8. Minus 5 equal to 8. Therefore a equal to minus 5. So answer what our solution? So a equal to minus 5 and k value is 5. So these are the two values we got. So here division and subtraction little complicated one only. But I shown properly how you have to subtract, how subtraction is doing if unknown values are coming. Instead of integers, if unknown values like k coming, how to subtract. So here you have to take care. Now 16 x square minus k x square, how subtraction doing? I have shown here. 16 x square minus k x square, actually 16 x square minus 5 x square, we are doing 11 x square, directly 16 minus 5, actually x square taking common, 16 minus 5, that is 11 we are writing. The same way x square taken common, 16 minus k, so written here. Here also on subtraction you have to take care. Here also I am shown it. 16 minus k x square minus 8 x square. This side minus 8 x square. Then x square taken outside. So remaining 16 minus k minus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 minus k. So you got. So then you write it here. Then here minus 25x plus 4kx. So positive term first I written 4kx minus 25x. The next taken 4k minus 25. I written here. Then 8 minus k you taken as here the third term you got multiplied and written like this. On subtract this one term finished. This one I have subtracted here written. How you are subtracting it. These all terms you have to show in margin only. There are no place, so I am written here. While subtraction doing margin, you have to make margin on the right side. There you have to calculation. In this way calculations you have to show. Then you can easily understand. So that subtraction only I am shown here. Then x term you got. Last term is constant. So actually you 10 minus k into 8 minus k multiplication you can do, but instead I am not done that one. Keep it like that only. 2 plus 3 5. 2 plus 3 form only we written. 10 minus of k into 8 minus k written. So that we got as remainder. In this form you got the remainder. But in question it is given the remainder is what? X plus a. So means this term is x, this term is a. This is x term containing x. This is will be then a. So comparing, then we got the values of x and a. Then from that one on simplification you got the value of a. In second equation k's value we substituted, you got the value of a also. So now this lesson, this is exercise 2.4. Actually it is optional only, little hard problem. In examination point of view it is not said, but then also we have to practice well. And exam these steps sums also coming, so you have to practice it well. Understood? Now so this lesson is over. If you have many times I told you all, you have to practice more sums. In it doubts coming, you WhatsApp me, I will solve and show that one sums also. So this polynomial lesson is